When we looked at TWS API architecture, we saw that EClient and EWrapper classes are responsible for handling any communication between our custom application and TWS. EClient is specifically responsible for connecting to TWS and also for sending any requests to TWS, whereas EWrapper class is specifically responsible for handling any incoming data and messages back from TWS to our custom application. Now both EClient and EWrapper classes have methods which can be used by our custom application to handle the communication. Let's take a look at some examples. So if our custom application wants to connect to TWS, it will use connect method, which is available in EClient class, to send connection request to TWS. TWS, upon successful or unsuccessful connection, will return the status of connection using the error method in the EWrapper class back to the custom application. Let's take a look at another example. So if our custom application wants to request historical data for a specific security, it will use request historical data method available in the EClient class. TWS will relay the request to IB server, fetch the data, and then send back the requested data using historical data method in the EWrapper class back to the custom application. Let's take a look at another example. So if our custom application wants to request streaming market data, it would use request market data method to request the streaming data. TWS would relay the request to IB server. IB server would send the streaming data back to TWS, and TWS would send the streaming data back to custom application using tick price and tick size methods, which are available in EWrapper class. Let's take a look at another example. So if our custom application wants to place an order, it would use place order method in the EClient class to place the order. TWS would send the order to IB server. IB server would place the order on the specified exchange and return the status back to TWS, and TWS would return the order status back to custom application using order status method in the EWrapper class.